I would absolutely recommend Tennessee Valley Oral Surgery and Dr. LaPorte. I've already recommended them to some other friends who've needed some procedures or just needed to be to be looked at. I mean, everyone in the office has always been welcoming and comforting and making sure that I felt like I was being taken care of. And Dr. LaPorte is extremely knowledgeable and is great at making you feel like she really cares about your results and making sure you're getting the best treatment you can. And I'd come back and do it again. Hi, my name is Thomas Myers. I was a patient of Tennessee Valley Oral Surgery. I was here for both a wisdom tooth removal and a LaPorte 1 bilateral osteotomy. I had braces for a long time as a teenager. When I finished braces, I had a bonded retainer on my lower teeth. It broke loose a couple years ago, and I had to find a new orthodontist in town. I went to Dr. Knierim at Tennessee Orthodontics, and she took some x-rays as part of her new patient procedure. When she finished the x-rays, her technician said, Dr. Knierim is going to clear her schedule. She needs to talk to you right now. And I discovered that I have severely obstructive sleep apnea. After a sleep study, I found that I was having 60 to 90 apneic events an hour, and it was severely impacting my physical and mental health. And I honestly didn't even realize that I was just not breathing in my sleep. Dr. Knierim recommended me to Dr. LaPorte here at Tennessee Valley Oral Surgery for removing wisdom teeth to have some braces put on, and Dr. Knierim and Dr. LaPorte put together a treatment plan that what they thought would help treat my sleep apnea. After the wisdom tooth surgery and about 1.5 years of braces, I had the LaPorte 1 surgery to move my upper jaw around. It was as great as a surgery could go. Dr. LaPorte was very thorough in explaining what she thought needed to be done. She was really thorough in understanding my case and making me feel like she really understood what my goal was, and that was to just breathe better, and was really good at letting me know everything involved in the process and keeping my wife informed as I went through surgery and recovered, and followed up with me throughout my recovery. She and all of the technicians here were absolutely fantastic the whole time, and I'm really grateful to them for everything that they've done. Before I met with Dr. Knierim and came to Tennessee Valley Oral Surgery, I didn't realize just how severely the sleep apnea was affecting my life, my health, my blood pressure, my weight, my mental state, and I was concerned about having a major surgery like that, but it was the process of going through a surgery for a few weeks and braces for a couple of years versus the rest of my life. And I don't like using the phrase lightly, but I mean the surgery definitely changed my life for the better. From the moment I came out of surgery, even with all the swelling and everything, I could immediately tell I could breathe easier. Through my mouth and my nose, it was easier to sleep. It was easier to just be comfortable just breathing, and it's had just phenomenal benefits. I feel better every day. I can sleep and I actually feel like I rest. And I don't wake up with a sore throat and a headache because I've been snoring all night. In my follow-up sleep study, they said that I no longer needed a CPAP, and I was down to less than 7 events an hour, which from 60 to 90 down to 7. I mean that's an amazing amount of difference, and I feel it every day, and I'm extremely grateful to both Dr. Knierim and Dr. LaPorte for taking the time to to look at my case and see that something needed to be done, and ask the questions and say, is this affecting you? And it genuinely was, and I honestly had no idea. And now I'm so much better off for it.
Tennessee Valley Oral Surgery will take care of you like family.